Welcome back in this another lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In previous lecture we saw how to split the original image into its three colored channel components, that is red, blue and green. Now in this lecture we are going to merge these three channels and create the merged image, and that merged image should be the exact replica of the original image. So let's write one variable here. Let me write it merge underscore image. Obviously you can name it anything. And then OpenCV provide us with a function called merge, in which all these three channels variable name, that is BGR, has to be passed as list. So I'm passing it merge and then I'm passing BGR as list in it. Now I'm displaying it, the merge image. So let me rename the original image as merged image to make it meaningful. And then this should be merge underscore image. So this is how, using OpenCV merge function, you can create the merged image of all these three channels. Let's run it and see the output. Okay, CV2 has, oh sorry, this is not merged, this should be merge. Let me rectify this mistake. And now if we run this, it will give the merged image. So let's see, there it is. You can see this is merged image, then we have green channel, then we have red channel, we have blue channel, and this is the original image. So the merged image is exact replica of the original image. So this is how you have to use the merge function to merge all the individual colored channels. I hope everything is clear now. So this was all for the lecture, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.